This is Guy, and he wants to create his first YouTube video, so we're going to help him. But what Guy has no idea about is that he's about to go on a journey that gives him the foundational tools and knowledge, not just to make his first YouTube video, but to continue making awesome videos on YouTube. I have no idea how he's going to get on, but we'll be following every step of his journey so that we can learn a thing or two about making great YouTube videos. Hey, Guy, you might want to take this with you, we'll need it later on. For Guy's first destination, I've sent him to a secure location where he's going to figure out how to choose a video idea and present it in a way that makes his audience really want to watch. Okay, Guy, can you hear me? Okay, great. Well, this is the content vault and it basically contains all the ideas you ever need to create videos. But are you ready to unlock it? Alright, well first you need to answer these questions, and answering these is going to unlock the vault. And by the way, Guy, there's no right or wrong answers, so just answer them based on gut instinct. Alright, well let's see what Guy's put. So what skill can you use to make money? Guy has put critiquing movies. Interesting. What interest excites you? Well, Guy has put new movie releases. What can develop you as a person? Learning how to make movies like the directors that I admire. That's a pretty cool answer. And what are your hobbies? Going to the cinema. It's quite clear that Guy loves movies and he has a passion for the industry. And if you have a passion for the thing that you're creating videos about, then people will be drawn towards that passion. It's obvious that you're not faking it. Alright, I've got it. Guy, you can head through to the chamber because we've figured out what topics to give your channel. Alright Guy, these are called content vaults and they're the different types of topics that you create videos about on your channel. They're super important if you want to create a channel that's consistent and builds a loyal audience. The first vault is your income generating interest, and we've gone for movie reviews. The second vault is the interest that excites you vault, and this is going to be movie news, because you love finding out about new movie releases. I think he seems quite happy. The third vault is the interest that develops you vault. This vault helps you to develop in a particular area. This could have been personal development, fitness, health, wealth, relationships, while helping other people improve at that same thing. But Guy, you've gone for something that's going to help you with your movie making skill, which is pretty cool. For this vault, we've gone for replicating the pros. This is where you'll replicate shots like the pros and teach other people how to do it. How does that sound? So Guy, go ahead and choose a content vault. This is going to be the vault that we base his first video off. This is an important part of your video creation process. When you choose a topic, title and thumbnail before creating your video, then the rest of your video is created based on why the viewer clicked. This means longer watch time, which puts you in good stead for the YouTube algorithm. You can also check out videos from other channels that have performed well on that same topic. These will be videos that have a higher view count than the channel's average video gets. And Guy, there's a particular tool that I recommend you go and use called vidIQ. It helps you to understand what outliers are and shows you the outlier score for each video. This means the video has done something right to connect with a particular type of audience. So check these kind of videos out and use them as inspiration. Alright, great job. Now I want you to meet a guy. No, Guy, no. His name isn't Guy. I think it's something along the lines of Martin, or Marvin, or...
Monetization Man!
How could I forget?
What's your goal for this video, bud? What do you want to achieve? Money? Fortune? Fame? Views?
I guess I just want to make videos.
Yeah, I get it. But imagine how much more value your videos would have if they had purpose and intention. Goals give you results that you can measure to improve future videos. Goals give you a reason to create, rather than just hitting record. So go ahead, bud. Choose a goal and get on with your journey.
If you're in Guy's position, what would you choose?
Don't worry, Guy. You can pick any, or more than one. But the one you put the most effort into will be the one that succeeds the most.
Awesome work, Guy. We'll do this by asking people to comment on your video. And this can be something as simple as getting people to comment their key takeaway. Let's take a look at that list, Guy. What have you made note of so far? Open a vault, choose a topic. Do people want it? Packaging, thumbnail, title, topic, goal for the video. Guy, we've got the basic foundations for creating your first YouTube video, and you've learned some things that are going to help you create videos forever, but I reckon it's time to start creating his first video. Hey, where you going? Ah yeah, you keep going, my friend. Let's see if he's up for the challenge.
Hi. You might want to take a look at that. That's your framework for writing videos. And we're going to spend the next week taking a look around Production Valley for you to get ideas for your video.
So Clappy is helping Guy research a specific topic to do with his chosen content vault, replicating the pros, and he's going to add any ideas from his research to the framework document, but then it's Guy's job to arrange his ideas into the framework structure.
Ah, I see. Another wandering creator has come with many words on paper, but no idea how to write them in a way that can be presented to an audience. To be or not to be? Well, if you head this way, I'll take you to the theatre, where you'll learn exactly what you need to present to an audience. We can use that framework you've got right there, but there's a few more things to think about. Stage directions, B-roll, assets, notes to editors, who you're talking to, your audience, characters, someone the audience can resonate with, storytelling. Stories are a great way of reeling people in and keeping their attention, but also a way of giving context, meaning, and life to a point you're trying to get across. Once you've written it, cut it down by 10 to 20%.
Action!
Oh, that's Pete. You probably want to see him for the next bit.
Hey, Pete! What you doing?
Just working on our next action movie epic.
Well, this is Guy, and he needs your help making his first YouTube video.
Happy to help. I haven't got long. Whoa. So, let me give you a rundown of the basics for shooting a video. Take a seat. Storyboards are great for visually seeing what's going to happen in your video. It makes it quicker and easier for when you film and edit because you know exactly what to film. Take this whiteboard for now and fill it out before filming, but you'll probably find a free storyboard template in that free guide Nat put together.
Thanks Pete. Yeah, every single tool and piece of advice that I've given in this video can be found in the free guide below.
You obviously need something to film yourself on, but a phone will do for now, mate. A tripod will come in handy for keeping your phone stable. Lighting is way more important than the camera you use. Just keep that in mind, kid. Audio is more important than camera or lighting, so make sure you get a clear sound when recording your voice. Good luck, kid. You'll smash it.
Pete, can you do your thing?
Lights!
Oh my.
Camera.
It's happening!
Action!
Let's go!
Guy's going to put together everything that he's learned so far to help him film his first YouTube video, and once he's done, for now, I'll say goodbye. That was quick.
See ya!
He needs to move on to the edit. We'll keep this simple for now, but just a few tips before you start editing, Guy. Edit backward, that means you get your best takes first. Remove all awkward silences, but keep any silence that helps to exaggerate, focus on a point, or add comedy. Set up some folders that you can start populating with B-roll, sound effects, music, animations and graphics. The sooner you do this, the more you'll be thanking yourself later. And once you're done cutting up the video, you can add anything extra, like text, images, video, music and sound effects. Get that video exported and then we'll get it uploaded to your channel. But there's a few more things that we need to do to make sure that your video gets the best results possible. A lot of people stop after hitting publish, but they forget there's a lot more they can do to get their video as many views as possible. So Guy, I want you to post a link on all your socials. I want you to add it in your email newsletter or blog, if you have one. Post it to community groups. Set it as a premiere for all your subscribers to watch at the same time. Let's go check in on Guy to see how he's doing. Ah yeah, Guy's checking to see how his video's doing on YouTube Analytics. But I don't recommend looking at your analytics until you have a better understanding of how YouTube works. It can be easy to allow your emotion to be determined by how well your video is performing. So for a lot of your first videos, just post and ghost. Upload your video and don't check on it unless you know how to improve its performance. But once you have an understanding of how analytics work and which analytics matter, you can analyse how your video is performing, see what you could improve upon, and see what worked well. We'd probably best get Guy back to work before anyone else notices. Just check your video and you completely forgot to do an intro. People clicked off it straight away. Well, you best go and check out this video that helps you create an irresistible intro that hooks people in and keeps them watching. And whilst you're here, you best go and check it out too.